Hello students, let's continue our chapter gravitation. Last time we have discussed about the equation of motion for freely falling object. Let's move to the next topic, and the topic is mass and weight of an object. So these two terms, mass and weight, they are different, they are not same. What is mass? Mass of an object is simply the matter contained by an object or the stuff contained by an object, whereas this weight is a kind of force, and that force with the help of which an object is attracted towards the earth in downward direction. So we can write mass of the object, it is the matter contained by an object and the weight is, it is the force, it is the force with which an object is attracted towards the earth. So as we know, the freely falling motion of an object is uniformly accelerated motion. So if the motion is accelerated, there is some force, and that force is gravitational force. For a horizontal motion which is accelerated motion, we know this formula: F is equals to ma. Whenever we apply some force on an object of mass m, then an acceleration is produced in the object, and according to Newton's second law, F is equals to ma. In this way, in case of freely falling object, this motion is accelerated motion, and gravitational force is responsible for this. So we can write here the force which is responsible for the downward motion, we take it as weight of an object, and which is equals to m, and here the acceleration is taken as acceleration due to gravity. So we can write the formula of weight is W is equals to m into g. Whereas this force, this mass, this quantity mass, it is a scalar quantity, it having only a magnitude, only value, scalar quantity, whereas this weight, it is a vector quantity. Its SI unit is kilogram, and its SI unit is new, because it is a kind of force, so its SI unit is Newton. And third, mass of an object can never be zero. It is same under every condition, but weight of an object can be zero, where the value of g is 0. So it can never be 0, but it can be 0. And we can measure mass of any object with the help of an instrument which is called beam balance, and weight of an object we can measure with the help of an instrument which is called spring balance. So these are some points of differences between mass and weight. Now let's find the weight of an object on the moon. Weight of an object on the moon. As we know, the weight of an object is mass into acceleration due to gravity. Mass of an object can never be changed under any conditions, so it depends upon the value of g, the acceleration due to gravity, and every planet has their own acceleration due to gravity, and moon also have its own value. So the weight of an object on the moon is the force of attraction of moon on the object. So let's derive it. As we know, this W is equals to m into g, and the value of g, the expression for g, we also know the expression for g is gm upon r square. So what is this universal gravitational constant? Mass of the planet and radius of that planet. We want to write the weight of an object on earth, so we take it mass of object, and ge is the acceleration due to gravity of earth. So we can be written as mg, which is g m, because we are writing the gravity of earth, so we take it the mass of earth here and radius of earth square. This is equation number 1. Similarly we can write the weight of object on moon, which can be written as mass of object, universal gravitational constant, and here the mass of the moon would be there and radius of moon square. This is equation number 2. So divide equation 2 by 1. What we get? 2wm, and equation number 1 on left side we. Here mg mass of moon upon radius of moon square. So here this quantity comes in denominator, then reciprocal takes place. When we invert this, we get re square m capital G and mass of earth. So here mass of object cancel, this universal gravitational constant cancel. What we get? We get wm upon we, which is equals to mass of moon into radius of earth square upon radius of moon square into mass of earth. So all these are standard values, so put these values, and mass of moon is 7.36 into 10 raised to power 22. Radius of earth is about 6 into 10 raised to power 6 square upon radius of moon is 1.74 into 10 raised to power 6 into mass of earth is 6 into 10 raised to power 24. So on simplifying this, we'll get 0.165. So we can write it as 1 by 6. So weight of an object on moon is equals to 1/6 of weight of an object on the earth, and from this we can conclude that the gravity of moon is 1/6 of gravity of earth. So in this way we can find the weight of an object on moon. So let us solve a problem. The mass of an object is 10 kg. What is its weight on the earth and on the moon? So here mass of object is given 10 kg, and we need to find weight of an object. We know which is m into g. If we find weight of object on earth, then we need to take the acceleration due to gravity of earth. So put the value 10, and the value of g for earth is 9.8 meter per second square, and what we get? 98 Newton, because weight is a kind of force. Now weight of an object on the moon, which is 1/6 of weight of object on earth, and 1/6 we know weight of object on earth is 98, and by solving we will get 16.33 Newton. So in this way we can find the weight of object on earth as well as on moon.